Spiromax is an inhaler used to treat asthma and COPD. When using your Spiromax inhaler, make sure you follow the 3 simple steps. Open, breathe, close. This video will show you how to use your Spiromax inhaler. First, hold your Spiromax inhaler upright and open the cover at the bottom. You should hear a loud click. Your Spiromax inhaler is now ready for you to inhale. Empty your lungs by breathing out gently, for as long as you comfortably can. Don't breathe out through your Spiromax inhaler. Place the mouthpiece gently between your teeth and use your lips to create a tight seal around it. Make sure that your lips and fingers do not block the air vents. Breathe in through your mouth as deeply and as hard as you can. Then remove your Spiromax inhaler from your mouth. Hold your breath for 10 seconds, or as long as you comfortably can. Then breathe out gently. Remember, don't breathe out through your Spiromax inhaler. Close the mouthpiece cover. To take another dose, open, breathe, close. The dose indicator tells you how many doses are left in your inhaler. It will count down if you open and close the cover, even if you don't take a dose. This will make it harder for you to know if your Spiromax inhaler is empty. Please note that Spiromax will not release more than 1 dose, so it is impossible to take extra medicine or a double dose in 1 inhalation. And that's how you use your Spiromax inhaler.